All right, smokercraft restoration. Got a lot of the upholstery done on the flat bottom here, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the gas tank back in and put it back together. I'll go step by step here. Got it all clean, got it dried out. I'm gonna actually put some multi-purpose rubber tape down. As you can see, there is a boat on there, so it is marine grade, I guess, and that's gonna help with I'm just going to use it to cushion the rails right here. Sorry if this thing goes blurry. My phone is getting old, and that's the way it is. But do my best to go step by step and get a clip of each step along the way. So first step, dry it out. Second step, put some multi-purpose rubber tape down. All right, first step done. Got that rubber in. Very easy. Took 2 rolls to get that done. All right, next step, prepping the gas tank. It's been sitting in my garage, airing out, drying out, cleaning. Cleaned out for, 10 days, 2 weeks. First things first, putting on a new air, where the air comes in, just so that that tank has air in it. I got a new filter for the gas gauge right here that I have. I'm going to try to reuse the old one. I got a new flexible pickup line, weighted, so that's going to sit at the bottom of the tank, pick up the gas. Hose barb to go into that goes into the new line. There's the hose clamps right there. I'm using plumber's tape right there to tighten all the seals. And then I got the big fuel in line right there, and another air vent next to that. So putting this back together and gonna drop it in the boat. All right, so got the new fitting in, new gasket, reader. I got the new pickup, fuel pickup with the barb and the new hose, and I have the hose in an upward facing position. Now I know this, I was a little nervous because my other pickup was small, but now I can see, actually, and it's probably impossible to see that, but I can actually see that this one's on the bottom now. I was a little nervous that it was going to get coiled up when I was turning it in because it's so long, but I do see it sitting on the bottom there, so I'm just going to hope that it's not twisted up down in there. So that would be terrible, but that's that. Let's get this thing installed. Okay, everything's dry fitted in there. All right, now marking is always great. Check this on my hose here for my sump, or my pumps for my live wells. There's just a small little indent, and that tells me that's exactly where that tank sat. All right, now I'm a little bit nervous. This is flush, if not a little bit over. All right, that's going out, and that's just an air intake. And that, again, from the other video, was totally eaten through. So I just had a connector for that, new hose. And then these brackets right here are gonna rest, in theory, right there, and do a little weight support. And guess what? Now this bracket is higher than that hose. All right, so really pay attention to the details out there when you're taking stuff off and putting it back in, doing a restoration. Let's get to the rear end here and a little bit of electrical and get her fitted in there more. All right, so I'm going to clean this up just a little bit as I put it in, and I'm just going to I'm going to bore it out a little bit with a drill bit and just use a panhead screw. All right, different than the rivet that was in there, but I want to be able to, in case there's ever an issue, be able to remove this easily in the future, or for anyone else if I ever sell the boat. All right, so continuing on.